and put pots and stuff in that.
Although it ain't a bushcraft video, folks, the dried birch bark's really giving me an idea how easy this stuff goes up. Because it's already dried, I might actually just keep some in my prepping equipment in the house anytime I ever need it. But I haven't got my flint steel with me, so I had to use the lighter there. I always forget something. Unless of course it's in the stove bag in the tent. Let's get this settled in that suds. This is where we are for tonight. Enjoying some drinks and some good food. The heat. Background drop's beautiful. Really nice tranquil spot. Only had a coffee and a handful of jelly beans off Mark today, and it's 3:40 PM, so looking forward to some good camp food. Come and join me, Mark.
We'll go with his filming.
I just need to watch I don't get clotheslined with these guy lines.
Put the fire in now. That'll do for just now. Look at that. Bro. I can feel the heat through over here, standing behind the camera, eh? Doesn't half reflect it.
You get my down jacket on yet?
Aye.
Lovely.
You need it tonight though. So it's only you, Stuart. Stuart, you're the only one without a down jacket.
Don't be copying me. Luckily Mark had some power lanterns there to get some better videoing for you all in the dark. Chicken's, well, it's beyond cooked. Time to get the rest of the gear on. I think we best get that sauce just in the pot, and then whatever chicken we want to add to it, then it's in. We'll try some butter chicken as an option in the pot. And we'll get lazy garlic, smoked paprika, maybe save a couple of chicken breasts for that. Now, one thing is that chicken needs to get used tonight.
Swing, Mark.
Cheers, guys. Aye.
I wish that log would just burn down there.
I'm going to need to deal with it. That's nice, I like that.
It's alright, eh?
White wine, caramel.
Get the billy can on it. So they'll go up on that, Mark. That shelf and they'll keep warm up there.
That way? So
Yeah.
Something to grip it with.
Yeah, they'll stay warm there, eh?
Perfect.
Get your grill.
So we've got the mushrooms and the roasted char-grilled peppers all mixed in the butter chicken sauce, and that is now heating up nicely on the grill there in the can. This beautiful smelling char-grilled chicken is just staying warm over the hot coals while we're waiting the sauce. We'll get a pan each, serving as our plates. It's getting poured over. We've got some wraps, we're saving the rice. Get the wraps on it. Lovely.
At least we'll get skin dry here. Sorry about it.
There we go. That's alright, I was bring.
Oh, nice now.
Oh. Charcoal chicken.
Aye.
Way forward.
Yeah, it's like tandoori there.
Perfect.
Tandoori chicken by the loch. Not quite up yet though. We'll be about an hour or two. Cloud coming out just now as well. That's what I got. Slap some peppers in it. Oh man, the eyes are small. Oh, the meal is huge.
Right. So it's that time of the evening, folks. Just a little pipe and tobacco, and cubed tobacco. Lovely stuff. Mark here, as soon as he smelt it, thought absolutely. So here we go. Thoughts?
Like cream, yeah. Taste it. It's like a vape. Maybe you get some of the vapes. Get the flavours. Like one of them. Oh, I guess you know.
I don't know.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Don't try this at home. Not good for you. Anyway, guys. Mark's been out. Got his new tent up.
Loving it.
Got fire going, we're nice and toasty. Had some shots at taking photographs. Hoping that how they turn out.
No doubt you'll be seeing them.
Wait till we get a bit darker and try for some stars, eh?
Aye, some stars. Moonlight's really lighting up the background there at the loch as well.
Aye.
Say that right there, eh? Loch.
Loch. Aye, when the moon comes out. We'll try that, see if we can picture that. That might look quite well as well, eh?
I just want to say a little shout out to Eddie, Scott's Wild Camper, Stuart, Scottish Wanderer, missing you guys, looking forward to our next meet up. Denson Ranger, Derek, I know you've been saying, well, you've been giving a good few comments recently on my videos. It's been a good couple of years, my friend, since we met up. So anytime you're looking for a camp, I'm always ready. It'd be great to get a reunion with you. And thanks to everybody else that keeps giving the good comments on the recent videos. Plenty more to come. Thank you.
Yeah, and thank you for commenting on mine. Thank you for watching mine. I don't know why.
You've got a good creative eye.
Aye.
It's one thing having everything in the head, it's using the stuff at your means to get it going. And you should have seen the bushcraft shelter that was in my head, but it just never came real.
You get a nice picture in your head, but if you take the time and learn from your mistakes, you'll get a shelter made. It'll adapt. Right, that's a heat coming off of that. Cuban pipe, there we go. Cuban pipe. So we're fleeing. No, we're not really. It's just normal tobacco. I think. Is it, Mark?
Somewhat. Don't do drugs.
Cheers, guys.
Oh, thanks, Jack. Thanks very much.
Yes. Some port, sir. Get the Sherlock Holmes one, eh?
What? Big Gandalf one?
Yeah.
Glasgow's a big long thin.
Cool it down.
Well, guys and gals, I'm in the new Terra Nova Southern Cross 2 tent, 4-season tent, first overnight. What a difference with space. I've not even used up the full bit of nest here in the 2 porches, just space, head height, space. So I'm looking forward to a cosy night now that the fire's died down. Both Mark and I are cozying up for the night. It is exactly 10 past 10 in the evening. I don't know how many times in a day I see 10:10, 11:11. I think I saw 14:14 today, and I checked the clock earlier at 16:16. Now it's 10:10. So crazy stuff, but it happens quite often. It's been a long couple of days for me. It's been a long day. I didn't even break my fast until 4 PM. That delicious meal that we had. So looking forward to a good breakfast in the morning, but I certainly hope I get a nice cosy sleep. I've got my 4+ season Northridge sleeping bag here. Got my X-bed down mat. Winter camping for sure. This fleece will probably come off. I'm feeling toasty already. The only thing I feel is I'm on a little descent here, which isn't very good. The blood flowing up. But unlike my older tent, which nothing against it, I can't do this in it. Oh, that's better. So you see, it's absolutely great. But nevertheless, have a good night. See you in the morning. Lights out.